Yellow just walking in the house in my road, gotta make her put it on. She don't like wearing clothes, just left Concord, North Carolina. I was licking on booty in a whole lot of vagina. Eat a boozer with some ice cream, she'll remember you. Ice Cube make it chip, shiver like the winter do.
See me with the crew, I done get some food. I see you looking like you do. Had to make a move, make a move.
Ask me what gang affiliation done the most gangsters historical shit in Los Angeles. I'm gonna tell you the Hoovers.
Oh, hands
Them
down.
niggas took a blue rag, put it down, said our C don't mean crip, it mean criminal. Our rag is orange, and nah, we ain't siding with the Bloods. We everybody killing. We CK, we crip killing and blood killing, and survived it. Got stronger and deeper. Can't nobody take that from them niggas. Nobody.
So Crip
I'm a
Mac,
part. But what's real
damn.
is real. What's real is real. Ain't no other set out here ever did that. You know what I'm saying?
But
And survived it.
But Wack, I'm really surprised he can even go up to Adam 22 with T Rhodes in there.
Nah, I mean, but see, that's where it gonna get weird for somebody any minute. You know what I'm saying? Because them politics gonna start, and it's just gonna be weird. Old boy trying to hustle and work, and he probably be telling Adam, "Don't even tell me when dude coming up here, because if he tell him, guess what? He that information got to get out there." So Adam probably don't even tell Trail when that nigga coming. You know what I'm saying? You know, Trail ain't up there all the time. He's been up there 2-3 times. I don't even see Trail.
Nah, Terrell said respectfully, if he come at him, they got to set up the ways though he not gonna be there, so they won't even cross paths.
They got to be like that because he got an obligation. Man got Hoover kill on his head, bro. It's just a matter of time, bro. The nigga stayed dissing Brim.
Shit.
He stayed dissing Brim. It's a matter of time, bro. Brim ain't just one gang. That's 5 gangs. It's a matter of time. He done disrespected me. It's just a matter of time.